Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Pixel 6 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel 6 is not here at Verizon Prepaid. It was released yesterday, October 28th. So this is the Pixel 6, of course, and this was announced last week by Google. So yeah, this is a very nice looking phone, you know, obviously, very nice looking phone. So there's the Pixel 6 right there. Currently the Stormy Black version is available, and the sorta Sun phone, sorta C phone is not in stock right now. But yeah, guys do get two storage options: 128 gigs for $699.99, or 256 gigs for $799.99. So not bad there. And so yeah, this is the Pixel 6, very nice looking phone. I'm digging the design of the phone, of course. So on the front of the phone, you guys do have your hole punch for your front-facing camera, speaker. Your earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. The back of the phone will have your dual camera set up, and your flash and stuff like that. Google logo there. There's the front there. I like the fact that whatever color that you guys choose, it will match the background of the background on the phone will match the color of the phone that you guys have. So this is the Stormy Black version here. So it's like all black and whatnot. So if you click on this sort of C phone, you guys will see that the background has now changed. So that's pretty cool. I personally don't like this sort of C phone. I just think it looks ugly. So it's like a yellow. It's like a yellow and white color, and this one is like a dark gray on the bottom, and like a it's kind of like a light gray on the top of the back there. So overall, very nice looking phone, you know. So yeah, it's front, back, front, right side of the phone. Like I said, the power and volume keys. Left side of the phone has your SIM card slot. There is no SD card slot because this is a Pixel device. Your SIM card slots right here, guys, on the left right here. So yeah, right side, power button, volume keys. There's the back of the phone. You guys have a big ass camera bump on the rear. That's what she said. Dual cameras on the Pixel 6, along with your camera flash, Google logo and whatnot. There's the back of it again. And yeah. So okay. So like I said, you do get two cameras on the rear on the Pixel 6. You guys get a 50 megapixel you guys get a 50 megapixel camera on the rear. That's your main camera sensor. Then a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and then the 8 megapixel front facing camera. So that's nice. Dimensions 2.9 inches in width, 6.2 inches in height. Usage time is 25.26 hours, 10.75 days of standby time. Magic eraser, which is pretty dope. Motion mode, roll time, night sight, portrait mode, portrait light. Super Verizon dual exposure controls, live HDR plus camera. So yeah. So here we are. So it says here, meet Google Pixel 6, completely reimagined inside and out, powered by Tensor, Google's first ever processor that's fast, smart, and secure. It adapts to you. Google new custom built chip keeps your phone fast, your games rich, and your personal info safe. Pixel 6 has an all-new camera for your best photos ever. Capture more light and detail in every shot. get rid of distractions, and keep fast-moving subjects in focus. Experience Pixel in a whole new way with an all-day adaptive battery, proactive help. Proactive help and fluent live translate, which is pretty cool. It's fast, smart, and personalized for you. Backed by the new Titan M2 security chip, 5 years of updates and security. 5 years of updates and security hub. Your privacy and protections built into Pixel. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband, so that's pretty cool. So they made a mistake here on the features list. The Pixel 6 gets 3 years of updates. The Pixel 6 Pro gets 5 years of updates, guys. So do keep it in mind. Pixel 6 gets 3 years of updates. Pixel 6 Pro gets 5 years of updates, which is pretty fucking insane. So yeah. Pixel's very own powerhouse. Google Tensor is the first chip made by Google just for Pixel. That's the same chip used in Pixel 6 Pro, so it helps keep your phone running smoothly and efficiently. It's the smarter chip for a smarter phone with up to 80% faster performance, upload quicker, and gaming is more responsive. And Google Tensor has an extra layer of protection and works with the next-gen Titan M2 security chip to keep Pixel even more resilient to attacks. So that's very nice. All new camera for your best photos ever. The all new 50 megapixel camera has bigger sensors to help you capture more color, more detail, and 150% more light than Pixel 5. With the ultra wide lens on the back, get more of your world in the shot. Remove photo bombers with the magic eraser. Pretty sweet. Which makes distractions disappear. With portrait mode, you can blur out the background to help your subject stand out. Motion mode adds to your action shots by helping to capture life in full motion. 10 great moments and 2 great photos with face on blur, which can unblur a face to make it sharper. Pretty interesting there. An all-day battery you will love. Pixel 6 prioritizes power for your favorite apps, because Pixel's all-day adaptive battery is everything a battery should be. It learns your favorite apps, so it doesn't waste power to ones you rarely use. When you turn on the extreme battery saver, the battery can last up to 48 hours, so there's power when you really need it. You can even control which apps run while it's on, and you can charge your Google products and other USB-C devices quickly with the 30-watt USB-C charger. Made to last, made to be brilliant, ready for life's little accidents. Pixel 6 is built from Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, the toughest Gorilla Glass yet, with up to 2 times better scratch resistance than previous Pixel phones. And with IP68 protection, it can take on water and dust no problem. So it's just as durable as it is beautiful. That's very true. It's very beautiful. The 6.4-inch smooth display adjusts to what you are doing, and the high refresh rate means more responsiveness, gaming and scrolling, and high brightness. Mode lets you watch and play in bright sunlight. A beautiful new experience that adapts to you. Explore the world in other languages. Get your chat translated in real time. Listen to podcasts with translation captions. And even use your camera to read signs in up to 55 languages. No internet needed. The reimagined interface is a whole new way to experience Pixel, with colors that reflect your personal style. Pixel learns what you need and puts it in front and center. At a glance, shows you the apps and info you need right when you need it. Like when you get to the airport, your boarding pass will pop up on your screen, so that's pretty cool. Advanced security helps you feel safe every day. The custom-built Google Tensor chip, the custom-built Google Tensor processor, the new Titan M2 chip, 5 years of security updates, and the security core work together to help keep your private life private. You have full control over your phone's mics and cameras, and can easily turn them on and off and choose what apps can use them. So obviously this comes to Android 12 and Google's taking security and privacy to a whole new level here. It keeps saying 5 years of updates, but the Pixel 6 gets 3 years of updates. The Pixel 6 Pro gets 5 years of updates, guys. Alright. So specs on this phone are really good. Obviously, this is a flagship phone from Google, so it has a 50 megapixel main camera, along with a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera on the rear. You get an 8 megapixel front facing camera. The width 2.9 inches. Depth 0.4 inches, height 6.2 inches, the weight 7.3 ounces, usage time 25.26 hours, standby time 10.75 days. Colors, you guys got stormy black or sorta seafoam there. You have USB Type C for charging. Scratch resistant Corning gilded glass Victus, cover glass, edgeless Corning gilded glass 6 back with tactile alloyed frame. 6.4 inch full screen display. The display, I don't know what the display is. It probably will tell us here. It has Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN ACAX, dual band Wi-Fi 6 as well. The side ratings, world device, global networks, 4G, 5G, ultra wideband, 5G nationwide. It has Google Assistant, of course. Android 12 is on board. Processor, of course, this has the Google Tensor processor, which is Google's first custom-built processor, so that's pretty cool. It also features the Titan M2 security chip as well. Power share, wireless charging, fast charge, has all that good stuff. It has a 4614 milliamp battery, so pretty good there. The screen display, like I said, 6.4 inches. That is full HD plus, 1080 by 2340, OLED for 411 ppi. So pretty good there. It's a 20:9 aspect ratio, 90 Hz refresh rate, and it has UFS 3.1 storage. Camera features: it has Magic Eraser, motion mode, real time, night sight, portrait mode, portrait light, Super Resolution, dual exposure controls, live HDR plus, video, rear camera 4K video recording at 30 frames 60, 1080p video recording at 60 frames, front camera records at 1080p at 30 frames per second. If you guys need help with your Pixel 6, Verizon has you covered with that. So it says here, Verizon Wireless Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box, guys, is your Google Pixel 6 phone. USB-C to you get a Type-C to Type-C cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and some tool, and that is it. So if you guys need to access the user manual for the Pixel 6, click here. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Google Pixel 6 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $699.99 for 128 gigs, or $799.99 for 256 gigabytes of storage. No contracts, of course. This stormy black color looks very nice. The front looks this looks very nice. Specs on here are really good. So yeah. And y'all guys will get 3 years of updates on the Pixel 6, so that's a win. So yeah, there you guys have it. Pixel 6 now available at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.